Hi, it's Sarah Taylor with Sarah Taylor Modern Art. Welcome to my studio. It's a cold fall day and just enjoying the space, and I'm so excited to announce I'll be teaching again at the Fluid Art Experience in 2024. This is happening in Asheville, North Carolina, so we're taking it out east, and I'm so excited. I've always wanted to visit Asheville, and Kathleen with Cause Creations has a studio there, so we're coming to her hometown, and it's going to be really, really cool. The dates are May 23rd through the 25th, so it's the Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right before Memorial Day. Be focusing on the pearl technique, and I love the pearl technique, as you might know, if you follow me. So this is going to be an extensive, in-depth course through the pearl technique, and I'm going to be offering 6 classes. 3 hours each, and I did it a little differently. I wanted there to be plenty of opportunity, so I'm doing 2 introductory classes. They're both going to be different, but they're going to be more introductory, 2 intermediate, and 2 advanced classes. So each class is completely unique, but we're going to move through pretty much everything I have to teach about the pearl technique. Melting pearls, translucent pearls, how to use different colors of base coat. We're going to work with GAC Magic. I'm also going to be playing with the new High Flow Medium by Golden in the last class and doing something a bit more abstract, but also using the same sort of thin paint and satin enamel concepts. So it's going to be an amazing event. Some of my favorite, it's a smaller group of teachers, but it's going to be very focused, just fantastic energy, and I couldn't ask for a better group of people to be working with. So if you have any questions, do not hesitate to reach out to either myself or Lee or Jeremy Massey. And Lee and Jeremy have been hosting this event for, I think, going on 4 years now, maybe 5. This will be my 3rd event. And they are just so fun to work with. I want to give them a personal shout out, a personal thank you for all the work that you put in. And we love getting together and teaching our techniques, and it's just an honor. So, all right, we'll see you this spring. Again, if you have any questions, please, we're here to help you figure out which classes are the best for you, and it's going to be amazing. All right, much love.